Hey guys, so here we have the Picote ProLite 6 and the ProLite 8. Obviously, as we can see, this is from Picote, one of their newest machines. We have a 6mm flex shaft, okay, 15 meters. And then we also have the 8mm 15 meters as well in this, in that one there. As we can see, nice, easy, very portable unit, okay? Comes with a accessory kit, so with a couple of chain knockers, some sandpaper. All right, we've still obviously got the battery that's included inside, and we've got a foot pedal, as we can see here. All right, so very easy, coming in and out, okay, no dramas, and here we've got a brake. Okay, so super efficient for doing those quick emergency blockages, short distance, nice and easy, 32 right up to about 75mm drains. Okay, for the 8mm, a little bit obviously more robust. We can do anything from 50mm up to about 100, the M100, 4-inch. Okay, same again, we've got, like I said, 15 meters, and we can really coil it out. Foot pedal, as usual, with the Picote, any Picote machines. Okay, so now it's spinning the shaft, and we've got now both hands to operate the actual shaft itself. We can also change the speeds, okay, so we can variate the speeds with this little knob here, and we can also put it in reverse if we need to. Okay, so again, very light and easy to use, to operate, super efficient, good option. If you need any more information, please give us a buzz on 1-800-747-326, or alternatively, come and trial it out yourself. We can put it down here, down the toilet, and into a few drains, and we can go from there.